Okay, well, this here is the first Tac Pack of 2019. This is the January Tac Pack. If you don't know what the Tac Pack is, there's the address, www.tacpack.com. But what the Tac Pack is, for a subscription fee, you get a box in the mail once a month. It's all tactical stuff. They've got different subscription levels. This one here I signed up for was the $49 subscription. You can go on www.tacpack.com and see what the prices are on the other subscriptions. But anyway, you get this once a month in the mail. Like I said, it comes out of your bank account. You know, the subscription price comes out once a month, and then a couple weeks later you get a nice little box in the mail, and you don't know what it is either. They kind of give you some hints on their website what the next month box will hold. I do know that this one is supposed to have AR parts, so we'll see what it is. So let's see what we got here. First thing out of the box looks like a little tactical bag. It looks like a medic kit. Yeah, it's got a cross on it. Some kind of little medic kit, IFAK. It's got the MOLLE strips on the back to where you can put it on a backpack, on a tactical vest. That's kind of cool. A little smaller than what I've got on my vest. But open it up, and it does have some stuff in it. It's got some gauze tape. I'm not for sure, but I think this may be. I don't think this is just paracord. It's like one of them monkey ball things. I don't know how you would use this with an IFAK other than use it for self-defense maybe. I mean, that's probably going to hurt. It's got one of those in the bag. Tape. We got some gauze. Vinyl gloves, a little roll of tape, gauze tape of some kind. And on the other side we've got some different size bandages, band-aids, some alcohol wipes, and just more gauze. But I've never seen a little IFAK. And what we got here, we got a little pair of scissors and a little pair of tweezers. So this is a pretty cool little IFAK medic kit. Of course, it's black. Got the red cross here on the front to signify that it is an IFAK. I'll show you the back once again. It does have, you know, MOLLE strap here, and then if you want to mount it the other direction, it's got some 3 Velcro straps. That is pretty cool. Mission First, a little coupon, it may be a sticker from Mission First Tactical, 20% off entire site. So you got the coupon for Mission First Tactical. A torch backup light. Torch backup light, Picatinny mounted. Okay, well this says white or red color, 10 lumens, 24 hour. It is waterproof. Okay, this is some kind of little light that goes on your Picatinny rail. I'm gonna open it here, and this is from Mission First, where that coupon is from. See if I can get the package open. Once for the red low, press twice for red high, hold for the white. Yep. It's not real bright, but in a dark room, if you was clearing the house or walking around your perimeter of your house or something, this would light up the ground. It would light up the room good enough that you're not gonna light the whole area up. It would light up a small area. The red would be good too, but like I say, it's a little, and it does Picatinny rail. This is from Mission First. And like I said, it's a backup light, so I guess it'd be a backup to your main light. And this here is from JE Machine Tech. It's a vertical grip for Picatinny rail. And another thing from JE Machine Tech, this is for your vise. This right here, that goes in your vise. It comes with one of them. It goes in your vise, and your magazine well goes down over it. That way you can hold your gun in a vise. But anyway, that's what is in the January Tac Pack for $49. You know, I don't know what all of this stuff cost, you know, without looking it up online. They say the $49 pack is somewhere around $100. The stuff that you get, maybe a little over. I do know the February pack is supposed to be loaded up with AR stuff, and I believe the March pack is supposed to be loaded up with AR stuff. So all this stuff that come in the Tac Pack, and of course you get kind of a rundown of what you get in the box, the items you get, kind of tells you about them, who they're from, estimated dollar amount. The backup light is supposed to be worth about 50 bucks. The vise block about 15. First aid kit about 25. And the vertical grip 15. So you're looking at 105 bucks for all this. And I got it from Tac Pack for 49. It does say here February, More AR parts and gear. A total of 5 parts coming in February. So this is the January 2019 Tac Pack. You've seen it here. I just got this today. I'm posting this today. I'm Redneck in a Hat. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let me know if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. Doing unboxings. I'd be glad to do them, and I'll see you guys next time. Later, y'all.